Welcome to our video on why patient journey management matters, a data-driven analysis. Today, we'll explore how managing patient journeys effectively enhances care delivery, improves outcomes, and drives operational excellence. Let's dive into the transformative power of data-driven insights. Patient journey management involves tracking and optimizing every touchpoint in a patient's healthcare experience. From initial contact to post-treatment follow-ups, it ensures seamless transitions, timely interventions, and personalized care, making the journey smoother for both patients and providers. Fragmented communication, long wait times, and lack of coordination are common barriers in patient journeys. These issues can lead to patient dissatisfaction, mistreatments, and inefficiencies in care delivery. Addressing these challenges requires a structured, data-driven approach to streamline processes and enhance patient experiences. Data plays a pivotal role in patient journey management. By analyzing patterns and identifying pain points, healthcare providers can make informed decisions. Real-time data enables proactive interventions, ensuring that patients receive the right care at the right time without unnecessary delays. Technologies like patient management systems, appointment scheduling tools, and telehealth platforms simplify complex processes. These solutions enable efficient coordination among healthcare teams and provide patients with easy access to information, reducing stress and improving engagement. Optimized patient journeys lead to improved satisfaction, better health outcomes, and enhanced operational efficiency. When patients feel supported and informed, adherence to treatment plans increases, resulting in faster recoveries and stronger trust in healthcare providers. Did you know that healthcare providers using patient journey management systems report a 25% reduction in appointment no-shows and a 30% improvement in patient retention rates? These statistics underscore the value of a data-driven approach to enhancing care delivery. Managing patient journeys without a system is like planning a vacation without a map. You'll get there eventually, but not without a lot of detours. With the right tools, every step becomes clear and straightforward, making the journey stress-free for everyone. Patient journey management is the cornerstone of efficient, patient-centered care. By leveraging data and technology, healthcare providers can streamline processes, enhance satisfaction, and achieve better outcomes. With helping hands of Emedsec, you get to simplify patient journeys, reduce inefficiencies, and build lasting trust. Take the first step today. Join Emedsec and transform your practice into a hub of excellence.